Namaste everyone, welcome back and happy Diwali to you all. So I know that Diwali is not going to be the same as every year this time, but should that stop us from dressing up to the best of our abilities and looking like absolute bombshells? I don't think so. So I have come up with 5 different outfits this time that you can sport this Diwali with pieces that already exist in your wardrobe and mixing and matching them in different ways so that you can come up with entirely different and new outfits that no one will be able to tell that you have repeated. Also, if you want to find out how I created this outfit, don't forget to connect with me on social media. I'm going to be posting a video on how I created this look, so make sure you check my social media out and connect with me there. Also, if you decide to recreate any of these outfits for yourself, make sure you send me a DM or tag me. I would love to see how you guys have recreated these amazing outfits. And before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Tell me in the comment section down below which your favorite outfit was, and yeah, let's dive right in. For this first one, I'm wearing the first lehenga skirt like how I usually would. Don't worry, the shirt isn't a part of this look, you'll find out. This one's a beautiful skirt with massive flare, and to spice it up, we'll wear the other lehenga skirt over this one like so. To give more definition to the look and cinch my waist, I'll add a belt on top and a necklace to draw attention to my collarbones. Since this look is already so out there, I want to add more accessories like earrings or rings and just keep it simple. Anyway, so if you aren't comfortable bearing it all, here's a quick hack. Take a dupatta and fold it in half and then fold it again. Secure it with a safety pin and pass your arms from the 2 holes to create a quick DIY shrug. I'd also used a similar shrug in one of my old Rakhi videos. It's exactly the same, and your very own Disney princess outfit is ready with an Indian twist to it for the festive season. Start by grabbing a pair of fancy palazzo pants. To create a DIY blouse, take a dupatta and fold it enough so it covers your chest and cross it over at the back. Bring it to the front and pass it underneath the folds as shown. Bring the 2 ends at the back and pin them together. I'm just tying it for now to show you guys, and voila! I've pinned the 2 ends together at the back now. You guys will be able to do it more neatly with someone's help. I was just all by myself, so. Anyway, adding my teal colored heels, a pretty necklace, a ring and a watch, I'm ready in no time using all my old clothes. You can also add a clutch to this look if you want. I just felt like it would be too much accessorizing then. This blouse most of all fits me like a glove because obviously it's customized to my measurements and looks gorgeous. And honestly, this outfit is my favorite of this lot. If you're looking to wear something a little different, try wearing a gown instead and pair it with really huge statement earrings and a watch. It stands out from your regular saris and lehengas and is sure to be a head turner. You can also tie your hair in a bun. I decided to let mine loose because of lack of time. I wore the same gown I think 2 years ago on Diwali, and it's by far my most favorite outfit I've worn on Diwali. This is a rather unusual one. I've worn a pant-style sari with a bralette, which gives this outfit just the perfect hint of Western touch without taking away the festive mood of it. For the drape, you can Google pant-style sari and there'll be hundreds of tutorials on how to tie one. You can also switch out the bralette here for a tank top as well. For accessories, I've chosen a bracelet to match with the black in the sari and a silver tassel, and I'm ready to grab everyone's eyeballs in the Diwali party. If you want something really light to wear, pair a sari with a bralette and top it off with statement earrings. This is a look from one of my older videos but is super relevant for people who don't want to go the extra mile. Glasses, no glasses is totally up to you, and you can see how a basic sari can be recycled for a huge festival like Diwali with minimal effort. So those were the 5 outfits for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I loved filming it. I'm shooting this video at 7 AM in the morning, so I really hope that you guys like all of the outfits that I have created for you. Don't forget to send me a DM or tag me on social media if you recreate any of these outfits for yourself. Also, let us all not forget that the pandemic is not over, and keep ourselves and our loved ones safe from the virus. Happy Diwali, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!